Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, yabana le ndaba of just marrying a guy who just does things according to the way he feels, not according to what is the right thing to do. Uzosala emangeni. So yesterday, guys, we know ukuthi Tirelo announced a big news ukuthi she's going to be working or she's in partnership with this particular car brand. People are making a noise about that, saying ukuthi she's copying Uvuyogazi. Guys, come on. It is like when it comes to brand deals, guys, you don't even decide ukuthi when you're announcing the news. Anyway, angikho lapho before people come for me. So Umayeni reposted that video kaTirelo. And now I'm thinking to myself, hi man, guys. When what's Umpumelel's wife's name? Amahle. When Amahle put up their pictures of the day Umpumelelo came to do ilobolo, I didn't see Umayeni resharing, guys, that post. I only saw Umusamselegu posting about Umayeni. Since then, guys, she's been quiet. But today or yesterday, when Tirelo posts her video with the partnership with the car, Umayeni reposted. For me, guys, it's just giving vibes. Yoguti Umayeni doesn't recognize Lomshato Gampumelelo. I don't even think it's a thing against Amahle. We all know what Umayeni has said time and time again. Utiena arazwan injenumsang. But the way I'm feeling so sorry for Amahle, guys, because really, umshato in comparison to a campaign, like, you know, it's really giving vibes. Yoguti, there's some shato thing for real. Umpumelelo went ahead and did it on his own with his father, and it looks like Umayeni agazingeni, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Do you think eventually Umayeni will maybe even welcome umakoti wakhe emzumbe, or what's going to happen, or what happens in a situation like this, guys? It's quite sad. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.